Hello guys, good morning. Hello guys, good morning. This is our day 2 in Bali. Medyo okay na ako. First day namin talagang dinayariya ako. Tsaka fever. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Secret. Hindi na. Ayun, so magnunusa Penida tour kami today. Kahapon, very hectic din yung schedule namin, but we had fun. Medyo mahirap lang for me kasi nga dinadiarrhea ako. So every time na may pinupuntahan kaming lugar, talagang for the toilet. In fairness naman sa mga toilet dito sa Bali, malilinis naman yung mga paid toilet nila, which is 5,000 rupiah. May bidet lahat nung toilet nila. So hindi ako masyadong nahirapan na kung saan ako magto-toilet and everything. Ayun. So ayan, busy na sila. Si Chan talaga ang aming itinerary master yan. Siya talaga ang nag-organize ng lahat. Kami, aura lang kami. Yan. Okay, see you later guys. Bye.
Fit check. Okay na talaga siya. Doon mo malalaman kung okay na siya kasi ang una niya hanapin pagkain. Sundo.
Naamoy ko yung nilutong pagkain.
Ha?
Naaamoy ko na silang lahat.
Oo, kasi nandyan lang sa baba yung kitchen.
Oh! 99,000 lang mo, bes.
Yes.
Santay all you can?
Fairness naman. Yan ang kinain namin. Hindi.
Nagsantay all you can kayo?
Pero 99,000. May may drinks na. May shake.
So, very excited for today. Kahit na medyo masama-sama pa rin ang tiyan dahil sa aking a little bit of diarrhea, but I'm so excited. We're going to the most famous Nusa Penida, and we're here in Sanurport. So Sanurport is actually the primary hub wherein there are fast boat services going to Nusa Penida. So before going to the port, meron kang madadaanan. A very nice place. It's a commercial space wherein you can go there shopping, dining. People are, doing their jogging and stuff. It's a great community in front of the beach. Look at the view. So you can eat there, you can dine, you can be with your family. Na talagang may breeze of, beachfront. Parang sa Pinas, yung may mga, diba, sa Boracay and all. So, parang ganyan din, may ganyan din sa Bali. At yan, famous din sila sa mga cafes, yan, mga modern cafes, modern restaurants for the tourist. So, we did enjoy strolling around for a little bit kasi may mga konting, a few minutes of walk before going to the port itself. So, medyo nagsa-start pa lang yung day ng mga shops. Some offers breakfast, Some are still, preparing their shop to open. Kaya kuya, wait lang. Huwag mo kaming iwan. Ang bilis mong tumakbo. But anyways, we're walking pa rin naman at ini-enjoy namin tong place and lugar. At dahil dyan, nakakita kami ng unusual na parang street food style na food nila. Parang dito sa atin sa Pinas, yung kikiam, parang ganyan. Pero ang tawag nila is like lumpia. But it's also, I think, it's like made of tofu or sticky rice. Basta para siyang kikiam. So yun, may tofu din naman. And meron din silang special sauce na parang sausawan ng ginagamit natin dito sa pag meron tayong sausawan ng mga squid balls. So, it's a good appetizer since medyo nagugutom na kami ng time na yan at wala pa kaming breakfast. So, yan na muna ang aming fast food na intake.
Okay, waiting time. It's already 7:34. And nasa ticket namin 8:30. Sabi 8 o'clock. Tuloy kami nakapag-breakfast. Lungkot talaga nito. Parang malungkot. Ay. Lungkot. Pero kasi technically ito lang talaga yung ano nila. Pork.
Wish ko lang.
Yeah, i-scan natin to twice. Dito isa sa baba.
Payat mo, Joe.
Ayan, lumaki ka ulit.
Lumaki.
Doon sa kabila.
Mia, Angel, di sana aja Mia, Angel waiting there. Angel.
Kita niyo yan, guys.
Algo prosto, no?
Ganyan ang kanilang port. Pilipinas, kamusta naman?
Mga basso.
Sabi ko, ganyan ang port dito sa Bangladesh. Kamusta naman, Pinas?
Ma posso fare quello che voglio.
Oo, kaso di tayo, wala kaming video ng umaandar na kasi nga tulog na kami gawa ng ang tagal umalis. Tapos yun nga, syempre may mga friends tayo na hindi normal ang deodorants.
Tinulog nila.
Hindi normal. Tama ba? Hindi normal. Or normal na walang deodorant. Normal na hindi nag... Ha? Nakita na tayo ng Sir Katut.
Siya si Katut. Ako si...
Katut, kapatid ni...
Hi guys! We're here now at Nusa Penida. Meron kaming mga... Ilang tours tayo? 2 tours.
4.
Ayun.
It's a mixed package from east to west kung sa Pinita.
So yun, iikutin namin ang buong Nusa Penida. Tapos may kasama na siyang lunch. Yan, may free lunch na. And from going here, it's about 35 or 40 to 1 hour. 40 minutes to 1 hour going here via para siyang jetty Ascraft na boat. So yun, and see you later sa mga trips or sa mga destination. Yan. Yeah.
Nusa Penida is a rugged island southeast of Bali, Indonesia, which is part of the Nusa Islands chain along with Nusa Limbongan and Nusa Keningan. It's also known for its dramatic cliffs, pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and natural landmarks that make it a paradise for adventure seekers and nature lovers.
Guys, so we're here. Waiting game. Ano masasabi mo, madam?
Naisip yung buhok ko. Init.
So, waiting game kami. Pang number 77.
Pang ilan na? Malapit na. Before. Sabi mo yun before. Mahaba pinaka mo.
Yeah, before hanggang dun, sa dulo dun. Akyat ang pila. Ngayon, dito kagad kami. Kasi wala masyadong tourist. So, antay lang, tiis-tiis. So, malapit na kami. 74 na. Sabi mo, for the gram.
This is my first meal. Proper meal.
Magkano yung chicken satay kagabi?
From
95,000?
diary. Yesterday.
95 or 65?
Chicken satay. Nakamix na yung chicken sa rice.
Pa-mix na.
After our hearty lunch, we hit the road and explore some of the iconic cliff viewpoints. Even though it's a bit hot, but the ocean breeze is really incredible, the air is fresh, and it feels like that we've stepped into another world. One moment a cliffside viewpoint, and then the next is a quiet, secluded beach. Although even if it's a bit, tiring, doing a little trek or a small trek, but I think it's still really rewarding for us to go here in Bali. And one way to reward ourselves is, of course, to try and refresh and take a simple dip and a short dip in the beach. Well, and that wraps us up for our part 2 of our Bali trip. More adventures awaiting. So stay tuned for our part 3. And again, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. This is your mommy and auntie on the go. And this is my G on life.